Hi, welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. Okay, so today in this video, I would like to share to you how to make a timestamp in your tutorial video. Okay, so or any explanation that you want to put the tutorial, like for example, which topic, what the intro. So like the book, you have a content from the front. Okay, so what page the topic that you are looking for, like for example, okay, so like a book, they have an intro, okay, they have a description next, then next they have what topic of this, okay, so a lot, you like a book, but this one is in the tutorial, so we put at the description below. So once the timestamp you put the description below, is you can see the screen is totally different than without timestamp. Okay, so it's really fantastic that you put the timestamp, that which is the YouTube, they will state it in your screen, even in this screen, that lower part here, from the part here, the lower part, so they will show you that they will separate one by one. Okay, so I will show you guys that if you want to learn how to make the timestamp, please of course continue to watch my video, and then please, for those who are not subscribed, please subscribe and like. Okay, so thank you so much that you are supporting me, guys, and I highly appreciate it. For those who I want to support, please support my channel. Okay, so okay, we go through my video that I will show you how to make a timestamp. Okay, so here, okay, so I will show you another one more video. So for me, okay, here, like for example, my this video I already have done. I already make a timestamp, but before that, after that, I will show you how to make the timestamp. Okay, so like for this, as you can see here, you can see is really different. You can see that one by one of the screen, that you can see the name, what is the topic of that, and then you can see the different from my description. I put like this. Okay, as you can see, this one. Okay, so I will show you how the screenshot look like this. You can see this one. Okay, so here, okay, here, okay, so you can see from that, and then as you can see here, you can see the title, is quite different. You can see that it's totally different. Okay, we will see from here. Okay, here for example, from here, see, you can see what is the different. Okay, so I will show you the screenshot again, then easy for you to remember. If you want to watch my videos, you can see that. Okay, you can see the different. Okay, this topic is how to insert the photo and the keyboard. It's up to you what is the title you want to put, but mine is, I always direct to the point what is my trying to say by this video. So here, that's why I put the topic. I never put like how to put like that, the title. So like that here. Okay, so it's totally different. You can see the different. Okay, so okay, we show you how to make this one, and then another video, because this one I already make the videos, the timestamp. So here, for example, here, okay, we find one more tutorial here. Okay, here, like for example, okay,
After 4 months with Gemini, he's talking. I have to share and hopefully will give others who are starting with
example here.
my channel, Giselle here. So today I will have to
like this,
explain,
for
I'll show
example.
you how
So
I
you can
use
put from
to.
here, I put this one the intro. Actually, it's very good if you want to put the timestamp, because in the description below, you can see, you can see how it is and what are the topic talking about, but what topic is that. Okay, you can see from here if you want. Okay, so start from the 00.
Hi,
This
welcome
is
back
my
to my channel,
intro.
Giselle here. So
Okay, we
today,
put like this. Okay, in my description below, we put example here 00. Okay, 002 03. So is my intro. Okay, intro. And then next is okay, intro. Okay, so here. So next
I will
I
have to
put, for
explain, I'll
example,
show you how I use to when I shoot my vlog or I shoot my video. So what gear I'm a bit lost in. So
okay, 045. I'm starting for 045. Okay, 0045. Okay, here example, ring light. What is the topic of that? Okay, we put the ring light. Okay, here. Then next, for example,
I have
okay,
to hold Galaxy S7. So if I sometimes I cannot take editing when I edit.
okay, so we put here 00, okay, 03 to 08. Okay, so laptop, we put topic is laptop. Okay, example. Okay, so here 4. Okay, 4. We put it to, okay, to 4.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, Giselle here. So today I will have to I'll show you how I when I shoot my vlog or I shoot my video. So what gear I'm using. So today I will have
Okay, so
showing you
you can
now.
see,
I'll show you
the
my ring
timing.
light
And
is
then
my
here you
first
can
that
see
I
from
bought
here
in
actually, because
online
the YouTube
in
will do
Shopee,
for
I
you.
think. So I bought
What
this
is
ring light for
your,
the very first time. So
okay,
the only one
so
thing because I changed fast
you can see
because
from
of
here. Okay,
the here the
you can see from
stand,
the
the
top,
tripod is a
from
bit
the lower
loosened.
part.
So I have to hold use
Okay, so
myself. So a bit
I will
smaller
show
also
you
vlog
another
or
one more
I
again, because
using
this
for
one is,
what gear I'm
I
using
only show
tripod.
you
So
how it
like
is the
this, then
example
I
how to
put in
make.
my phone. Okay,
And
so
then now
it's
here,
really cheap. Actually, not even 50 ringgit. It's about less than 10 also.
okay,
So
so
I bought
my
this because
other
I
videos,
always in
the iMovie
promotion.
one,
So
how I
this
put,
is what I'm using before
okay,
I
this one.
monetize or before I become a YouTuber. Okay, so
Okay,
this
so
is what I'm
same,
using.
must be
And
like this. Okay,
when we
so
are going
it's
out
very
that
easy
I'm
to
taking
put
the
at the
video,
timestamp, guys.
so
In very
I'm
good for
using
you that you
the
want to do the
Samsung
tutorial.
tripod.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so when
here
I
is
bought my
very
Samsung A7
easy, and
mobile,
then look
that
very,
which is I'm using now to do the vlog,
organized. If you want to
to do the
organize your
video or to do
screen,
the
your
shoot.
topic, so
So
they
I'm
are
using
easy to
this
watch
to
your
hold
video.
outside.
Okay,
It
so
can be
you can
turned
see the
out.
bar,
It can be like that.
you
It
can
can
see
be
the bar
vertical
here
also. Can and then can be like that. If you want your phone
for
be
this
horizontal, and
example,
you can be like
you
that.
can see the
So
bar
then
from here.
easy
This
for you,
is
and you can,
a lot of
of course,
bars.
not
You
very
can see the
tall, so you just
space
until
bar.
here
Okay,
only,
so it was stated that
until here only,
already
so you can
have
be
a
open like that. So
timestamp the
this is
YouTube
okay,
already.
so
You already
so
put
I'm
at
just
the
open.
description, and then the
For
YouTube will do for
example,
you
we go
like
for
that.
holiday or
Okay,
going out, so I'm
so
using
they
this.
will
So
easy
I
for
have
them
also
to
closed
watch
one
what is
ring
the
light
topic.
a bit bigger also
So
than
this
this,
is the
my
very
ring
good
light.
when I
So
want to
I
do
have
the
two phone actually when
timestamp,
I'm
guys,
using my
because
video,
it's
but
very
most
easy
of the
to
time I am
put
using
in
you
your
in your
video,
Samsung.
and everyone can know which topic they want to watch. Okay, so if you really want to do the tutorial, okay, so is actually, if really want to put the timestamp, you can see you must start from the zero. Okay, so 00, so the minute. Okay, the minute, what from the 00 to what minute the end. So you press that one, and then the next topic again, what is the minute or the start date, and then the stop. So you can put from that. Okay, so they start from 04, then they will stop to what minute, then you put that one. So the YouTube also, they can do for you at the screen, easy for them to watch. Okay, so if you really want to learn from that, okay, so easy, very easy, you just put in your description, then the title you want to put, then when you want to scroll up the mouse or the arrow one, then they can easy for them what topic they can directly. Okay, so hope guys that you learn from me, and thank you so much that you're watching my videos. See you for the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and please like, please watch, at least my watch hour go up, and please support my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.